401k to Gold IRA Rollover Rules and Limitations. In case you possess a 401k, you can turn them into an IRA or any other kind of plan that is qualified for rollover without tax penalties. You have 60 days to complete the rollover after you get the funds from your 401k plan. The IRS will handle your cash as taxable distribution in case you don't complete the task in time. Moreover, the IRS will also include a 10% penalty on the withdrawal besides the normal income taxation in case you are not 59 and a half years old. You can roll your 401k plan into an IRA only once per year. The time period starts the same day you get your 401k distribution. You can get the same period for each IRA that you possess. Buying investments in the period in between obtaining a 401k distribution and creating your IRA is prohibited if you want to use the money from your distribution. It's recommended that you pick the option to do a direct rollover with your 401k cash. You will never get a check for your distribution in case you select this option. The money will be transferred straight into your new IRA plan. Get your guide now by clicking the link below to learn more about how to transfer your IRA or roll over your 401k into gold.